Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. Claudia Albers, Planet X research and professional physicist. And today I'd like to bring to you another one of my articles. This one is entitled "The Sun is No Longer Shining. Sun Simulator Caught Changing Mode of Operation." Now in figure 1 below, we see two bright light sources in the sky. And the small one has a black spot in the center and is clearly not the sun. So it must be a simulation of the sun. Of course, we don't expect the real sun to have a black spot in the center. The real sun would be perfectly circular and yellow. Both of these are not perfectly circular or yellow. So they are both not the real sun. The fact that the smaller simulation has a black dot in the center suggests that it is a physical simulator, and the black spot is a necessary part of the device. So here we are. This one looks larger. And the largest simulation of the sun seems to be close or in the foreground. This part of the ground, you can see part of the ground there, appears to be behind it. This indicates that it is a projection of the sun in the atmosphere close to the camera. The smaller light source appears to be further away and may be in the upper atmosphere or even in orbit. The shape of the larger simulation is also elongated and seems to be aligned with the smaller simulator. As you can see, the elongation seems to start from this point where this simulator is. So this suggests that the smaller is the source of the projection. So the smaller one is projecting this one. And this is therefore a likely indication that what is being observed here is a simulated changing modes, changing from direct emission of light to projection of that emission to somewhere else. This would most likely be followed by the simulated device stopping direct light emission or vice versa, as it is not likely that the two will continue to simulate the sun at the same time. Many people believe that the sun simulator covers the real sun, but if that was the case, and since the two light sources are in different positions in the sky, one there and one there, which one is the one covering the sun? Where is the real sun in the sky? Is it behind this one or is it behind that one? Is it behind the smaller simulator that is further away, or is it behind the larger and closer simulator? The real sun cannot be in two positions at the same time, can it? No, it cannot. And the fact that we see the sun simulation over this point on the Earth's surface changing over indicates that the real sun is not shining. There is no real sun shining, so the real sun is not behind any of the light sources. The sun, as I have shown in many articles, is not shining and has most likely not been shining since before 2011. And you may look at article 466 entitled "Sun Simulated Technologies Based on Lasers and the Sun is No Longer Shining Discovery," article 427 entitled "The Artificial Sun and Alien Technology," and article 385 entitled "No Real Sun, the Atmosphere is Being Illuminated from Within." If the real sun was still shining, then the powers that be would have to be very careful to always position the simulators in front of the real sun. But as we see here, there is no evidence that they are taking any such care, as they project a new simulation mode in a completely different position, which indicates that there is no real sun shining. Notice as well that the sky appears to be blue. There is no hint of any darker region or halo, which may indicate that an eclipse may have been taking place. So, in conclusion, a sun simulator was caught in a photograph changing mode of operation from direct emission to projection from another position. There is no evidence that care was taken to project the simulation in the right position in order to cover the real sun in the sky, indicating that the real sun is not shining. Those are the references. This is Dr. Claudia Albers, Planet X physicist. Thank you for watching.